Hey, welcome to another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You love my videos. God bless you. Just remember me in your prayer. I received a couple of messages last week and people asking me, we got our PCO license, what should we do? You should know this answer because you are applying for the PCO license maybe for more than a year and you got it now. You should know what to do. So I'm going to explain you now how you can upload the document to Uber app when you get your PCO license. So yeah, if you get your PCO license, so you're ready to start working as a Uber driver, a private hire driver. You can work with Uber, Bolt, Ola and private company. There's a lot of mini cab offices. You can work with that as well. So in this video, I will show you how you can upload the document. So when you have all the document, means you should have a car and the insurance, then you're ready to go. So let's start. I'm going to show you now how you can upload the documents to the Uber app. Okay, so you need to download this Uber driver app. You must download this one. There's a lot of similar apps like Uber Eats, so you must have this one. So if you're using Uber Eats account, then you should use a different email and the phone number to do this step. Okay, the good news is, one good news I can share with you, use the referral code. So if you want to use my referral code, so please email me, WhatsApp me. You can see my number on the screen. I will send it to you. So you will get 250, I will get 250 as well. So you've done everything now. So first you need to register. Register is very simple. When you click that link, when I send it to you, it will take you to this app here, then say sign up. So just put your details. It's very simple. So when you put your details, then you have to complete the course. There is going to be one course you should complete it. Is very, very important. Then other course, you have to book the appointment in the Uber hub. It's very, very important. After that, you will be able to activate your account. So first, try to book the appointment as soon as possible. Then do the course as well. So when you go in Uber hub, then the app should be look like this. They will take your picture there, nothing else. So you have to upload the document now. So you go over here, you can see, then go to account and you can see the document over here. So first you need to add the vehicle as well. You go to vehicle section and add the vehicle. You can look over here. So add a vehicle. Then you go back and go to document here now. So when you go to document, then it is very simple. It will tell you what to do step by step. So it's asking for a DVLA plastic driving license, private hire PCO license. I did some, so I have different cars. So asking for the private hire vehicle license as well. So this is different. Our PCO license is different, which is over here. This is different. This is for the car. We need insurance, we need MOT. And if you rent the car, then you need to get permission letter as well. Okay, so how to do this one? So you click on this one over here. So it's better you take the picture first. You can take the picture now as well, is up to you. But my advice, first you need to take the picture or scan the document, keep in your folder or in your camera roll. So you click over here, then it say browse photo. So I'm gonna go over here. So I'm going to take my driving license, which is already over here. So just submit it. And that's it. So it's uploaded now. Then I have to go to the next step. I have to download the other one. So it's saying is in review. If it's accepted, then you will get the tick. If it's any problem, then you have to take the picture, clear picture again and do it. So do step by step now. And after that, if you visited already Uber hub, if all the document is good, then you ready to go. Then your app should be say when you click go, then you will be able to make money. At the moment I have to upload the documents here. So when you done all, then you click go, then you start working. So I make other video as well, my first job with Uber, so you should watch that video as well. It's going to be very good. So hope so you understand. So thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you.